Wrap the door handle with aluminum foil. Everyone is doing it now. The purpose of this trick will surprise you. All you need is regular aluminum foil. Tear off a fairly large strip and roll it into a ball. Then take a standard Ziploc bag. Place the aluminum foil ball inside the bag. Fill the bag with water, more than halfway. Now, close the bag with the ball inside, making sure to remove any air. You need to make a hole in this bag. A long toothpick works best for this. Use it to poke a hole. Next, take a string. Thread it through the hole and tie it. Tie the ends of the string together. Now the bag is ready. Trust me, it works wonders. Place it on the door handle by your front door. No stray animals will approach your home. The light reflecting off the water and foil, both day and night, scares animals away. Stray dogs or cats won't come to your house anymore. This method is also useful if you live in the countryside or near a forest, where deer or wild boars might pay you an unexpected visit.